Hey guys, welcome back to another videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a play screen. It's very easy. I know a very easy way. I tested it myself just to see if it worked. So in case I just randomly did it for you, it wouldn't work and I remember everything. I made a model if you want to just go by it instead of having to script the whole thing. I mean, it's pretty easy. And then I can add an effect, which I'll show you. I just gotta wait for it to load. Okay. Because I'm gonna show you an effect you could do and how to make this screen. Really cool, actually. I know it's TV. I got a little TV. And then there's little cool. Oh, you like this watching out. Brand new LGBTQ plus hangout too. Bitcoin miner. That. Did you copy a picture? Actually pretty easy. No cap. It's probably the easiest way. With effects as well, it's literally the best way. So if someone's looking for an easy way, everyone else who does it like this giant long way. But I know the easiest way to do it, which no people understand and think it's gonna work. But I've tried it. So what you're gonna want to do is in starter guide, I just call it guide, not GUI. You're gonna want to enter a screen GUI and name this play screen. And then make sure this is global. You can do a set on spawn if you want or not. It's just, if you click play, you want it to click play again. If set on spawn, you have to keep clicking play. Then enter a frame. Then name the frame, screen. And what you're gonna wanna do, I'm just gonna make the background color a bit light so you can see the background, but you don't have to, it's just what I'm doing. Guys, what I'm going to want you to do is do bracket 1, space 0, bracket, bracket 1, space 0, and a bracket there, and then it's full screen. There we go. So now you have to do that. Click active, so it is active. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a text button. And you can move around the text button if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be at the very top. I'm going to put it right down the line in the middle and stretch it out a bit. This is going to be our play button. Wait. I accidentally messed something with the screens, so this is going to be our play button. Now once you're satisfied with that, name this play. But you need to do capital P, capital L, and then lowercase a and y. I'm going to do this because it looks better, and I'm going to name this, this is just going to be text, play. I'm going to do Oscar background color. It's going to be fully yellow, because I like it like that. And then create something called a text label. This is going to be your title, guys. Once you got that, I get it to where that is, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the size of play, Control C, and paste it on the text label so they're the same size. Pretty cool, right? Then I'm going to put it somewhat above it. Background transparency, yes. Active. I'm going to do rich text. and do. I'm just gonna name it, game is cool. You don't have to not name it, but just like put a text label there. Okay, then name the text label title. Now make sure the I is capital and the T is capital, but the rest isn't. So now once you've got this all done, add a script to the play button. And what I want you to do is, I want you to type this, script. I'm just concentrating here. Then click enter, and there you got an arrow. Then do script.parent.visible equal false. That's it. If you didn't want to do an effect, literally you're done. But this is how to do an effect. Script.parent.disabled equal true. There we go. And now what you're going to want to do is enter a script on screen and name it rep, what you just did. So now let's do rep. No, not the script rep. I need to name this rep. So then after you click the play button, the effect won't show anymore. That's what I'm doing. So how to do the effect is you duplicate your title and bring the duplicate down to here. Name this title 2. But make this not visible. You just have to go visible equal false. Now what you want to do is rep is you want to go dot parent dot title 2 dot visible equal true. And what I'm going to show you with that is do while true do enter, copy and paste this script, delete that, and copy and paste, and do wait 2. And then what it's going to do is it's going to like do the text. Now script. Let me get the arrow back. There we go. Script.parent.title visible equal true. Then what we're gonna do is wait 0.1 and on while true do equal false. Okay, so now it just creates a loop. There we go. Now let's test it and see if it works. And I can also show you the model. This is like one of the easiest ways to like make a play screen. You don't have to make the background color transparent. I just like whatever. Just gotta wait for it to load. And I'll show you the model after. My phone runs out and I didn't get to show you. Sorry. It's just gonna be called play screen. That's the model. This is an easy way. I hope the effect works. Because it does, I've tested it before. What is going on? Why was my... I pressed the play button. Oh my god, guys, this is so annoying. I hate when my computer does this. My computer is so bad. Microsoft, fix this computer. Guys, I'm back. Okay, so the effect didn't work because that's just still there. But look, the play screen works. So now what I'm going to show you is to fix the effect. I just have to fix it real quick. On the rip. Wait. There. Okay guys, I think I just fixed it. There we go. Then I'm going to save this whatever. No, it doesn't want me. Please don't crash my computer again because that took a long time. I swear if my computer turns off, Microsoft will stop. Okay. Well, where's the effect? I don't even know. Oh, there. There is the effect. This should pop up though. I'm gonna do that. For title. Wait. There, I think I just fixed it. Yeah, so anyways, the play screen works when you press play, the screen disappears. I'm just fixing the effect. Because I know it works. I've tested it before. What it should do is it's just gonna do, you know, it's gonna teleport between both. There, you see? There, the effect worked. And we press play, it's gone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll show you the model of it that I did if you want. You can change stuff, except don't change the scripts, because you might break it, so, yeah. This is the model. Play screen, I just gotta find it. Because my account is Tristan.gamer. And where's mine? Oh, this is the account I did play screen, title, play. Yeah, I did this, I did some changes on it, you know, testing area and watch. This is what the effect would have done. Cause, this is my model, cause I have an account that's Fortnite. It's awesome. I don't know why you can use this model. Just check the username first, because it's pretty cool. See, this is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to like glitch and then go boom. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Guys.